So I sit down this morning, right? And I started drinking my coffee, having a great time, listening to the birds. That's a northern cardinal. And the wood ducks come in to the pond, okay? I was like, holy fucking shit. I could probably get them in the scope. Look at the fucking sun hitting his eyeballs. The water reflecting off his fucking body. God, fucking money, dude. I only wish I could get closer. I just can't. And then the red-shouldered hawk starts going off. I'm still looking for the fucking red-shouldered hawk. Can't find it. Oh, then I caught fledgling downy woodpeckers. Okay, I think this is a fledgling downy woodpecker. Let's see what happens. The downies have been super active. Oh my god, please. Oh my god, it is. The male feeding the fledgling. Click back.